Hi, welcome to Bear Mountain. We had a busy week. This week we had 2 snowstorms. The first one dumped about 8 inches of really wet, goopy snow, caused a lot of damage, broken limbs, etc. Then we got one the very next day. We got about another 4 or 5 inches, which kind of helped finish off the job. So today is our first good day. We got some clearing weather, no rain, nothing of that. So we're cleaning up the mess. And unfortunately, we can't really compost this stuff. We don't have a shredder big enough to take care of these kinds of limbs, and most of them are conifer and ivy, and so we're just getting rid of it. We're gonna burn her off, slow but sure.
How many trees did we lose?
3. We lost an old eucalyptus tree that rotted out and fell over. That thing was about 30 feet tall. And then we lost a mugo pine tree, which is about 12 feet tall. And actually, we lost 2 of those. And I guess actually there's a 4th one. We had a very tall laurel that was about 17 feet tall, and it was totally splayed out, so it's going to get cut back almost to the ground. It'll sprout. That thing will sprout back, so it's not really a loss.
How about the rose arbors?
Rose arbors. We were getting ready to repair those, but they are officially squished. So we're going to end up rebuilding this whole fenced garden area for the vegetables, and that'll be a project we'll carry you guys along on, and talk about what we're doing, why we're doing it. It's kind of a mess right now, but we got more work to do. It's always a fun day on the farm.
It's nice and warm and sunny.
Yes, it is when you're standing in the sun. When you're not so much. So anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel. And thanks for watching on Instagram. Bye-bye.